Okay, so let's be real. Most of us don't get the time to cook every single meal or like eat clean every day, and neither do I. And with my internship going on, my college starting soon, everything has been really hectic. And it has started to show on my hair, my skin, my body, and my energy levels. And I can't be dull all the time because I have a lot of things to get done. So, this is something that needs to change. So, hi, I'm Gargi, and come with me and I'll show you how my night before work looks like. And I'll try to meal prep everything today so all my tomorrow's meals are sorted. So, yeah, let's get started. So this is my kitchen and there's a little bit of problem here. So basically मैंने पूरे हफ्ते भर का सामान नहीं मंगाया अब तक to meal prep exactly. So we'll only meal prep for tomorrow's entire day and we'll only meal prep with all the things that I have in the kitchen. So let's see. So we have our protein powder over here. We have some pasta. We have some oats which are actually very less, but ठीक है 2 दिन का काम हो जाएगा इसमें. We have homemade paneer in this. We have बाहर का paneer. We have our chia seeds over here. I have some eggs in the fridge. I also have something fancy. I have Dijon mustard and I also have olive oil. So let's figure out हम इससे क्या बना सकते हैं. So I'm thinking कि I'll make a burrito bowl situation for my lunch tomorrow. I'll make overnight oats for my breakfast and post-workout snacks, and I'll make a pasta for my dinner. So that's all I have in my mind. And also, yeah, I'm thinking of taking some sort of salad for my snacks break so that I don't eat anything junk during that time. So yeah, let's see if we can do that. Meal 1 is done, our oats are ready. So now let's start with meal number 2, that is our lunch. So for lunch the deal is that my mom will make fresh rice, like she'll cook fresh rice tomorrow. तो राइस तो अभी नहीं बना रही मैं. I have some vegetables chopped in my fridge already. तो मैं शाम को सैलड में खाने वाली थी और मैंने सैलड नहीं खाया. तो I'll use those vegetables. I'll chop up some paneer. I'll marinate it. So कल सुबह when I'll wake up, either me or mama will pan-sear that paneer, cook the vegetables and make a dressing. So I'll make the dressing right now. I'll use that mustard and olive oil to make some fancy dressing. So yeah, let's start. So the pasta is getting boiled over here. Now let's start with the paneer marinade. I'm thinking कि मैं कल पास्ता का सॉस पनीर से ही बनाऊँ. So मैं घर वाला पनीर मेरे बरीटो बोल के लिए यूज़ करूँगी और बाहर वाला पनीर फॉर द सॉस मैं रात को आके बनाऊँगी क्योंकि मेरे को डर लग रहा है वो कड़ल हो जाएगा रात में, मेरे को पता नहीं. सो लेट्स सी. एंड अभी ऑलिव ऑयल है तो आई एम थिंकिंग टू मेक लाइक अ फैंसी पास्ता एट नाइट. बट उसको हाई प्रोटीन बनाने के लिए लेट्स ऐड सम पनीर because I want to try to have at least 20 to 25 grams of protein per meal. तो उससे एटलीस्ट मेरा प्रोटीन गोल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. सो या लेट्स स्टार्ट. So for the marinade, I'm thinking of using a little bit of oil, some red chili powder, haldi, piri piri masala, and some kitchen king masala. So let's pack this bad boy up. So our second meal is also almost ready. I have the veggies in the fridge, and mom will cook the rice tomorrow. So this is how our two meals look like right now, breakfast and lunch. These are the veggies. Also अपना dinner ready हो रहा है, so वो करते हैं अभी. So till the pasta is getting cooked, let's have a small chit chat session. तो तुम लोगों ने बहुत सारे मील प्रेप वीडियोस देखे रहेंगे, तो उसमें क्या होता है कि द पीपल मेक रेडी टू ईट मील्स एंड दे स्टोर इट फॉर अ वीक और मे बी 2-3 days एटलीस्ट. तो पर्सनली मुझे नहीं पसंद ऐसे रेडीमेड मील्स 2-3 दिन बाद रीहीट करके खाना या इवन नेक्स्ट डे खाना. मतलब इंस्टेड आई प्रेफर टू प्रेप द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, जिससे मेरा कुकिंग टाइम सीधा हाफ हो जाता है एंड इट ऑल्सो लाइक गिव्स मी फ्रेश फूड व्हेनेवर आई नीड. तो मेरा मील प्रेप इज़ क्वाइट डिफरेंट और मे बी आधा देन व्हाट अदर्स डू, बट दिस हेल्प्स मी एंड यू कैन डू वट एवर सूट्स यू, बट ये मुझे सूट होता है तो आई फॉलो दिस थिंग. So we'll let this sit for a minute or two and then we'll pack it in the container and I think we're done for the day. फिर कल सुबह उठ के I'll make the dressing post gym. This is how our breakfast, lunch, dinner looks like, and this is all the prep we need for the salad and veggies. So we can conclude that this was a good meal prep day. So I think we can call it a night right now, and it's 12 a.m. right now exact. It took us 1 hour to cook 3 meals, so it's okay, it was not that bad. एंड मुझे जल्दी सोना है, कल सुबह आई हैव टू गो टू द जिम. अब थोड़ा जिम में भी कंसिस्टेंसी लाना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स होप दैट हम टाइम पे उठे, टाइम पे सो जाए. विश मी लक.